viewers, welcome back to my next session. This is Anamika here and today I'm back with another makeup look from Pride Makeup series, and this is the day 6th makeup look, which is this Indigo Smoky Eye makeup look, and I absolutely love this for any night out. If you're going for a wedding, you can definitely pull off this look. It's kind of wearable but only for the nighttime parties and all of these things, because it's really nice and smoky, it's dark, and I have paired with a nude lip. I absolutely love this indigo eye makeup look. I'm sure I'm going to do some more blue colors in future because I really like this blue smoky eyes. If I'm not wrong, this is my first blue smoky eyes. If I'm not wrong, I have to go through all my previous videos and I really like this. So yes, this was the day 6th makeup look. As I said, if you are new to my channel, hi, this is Anamika and I'm doing this Pride makeup series. I'm not related to LGBT community, but I am absolutely enjoying the color series on my channel. If you haven't watched my previous videos, you can check it right here in this eye. You'll find all the makeup look from the Pride flag, like the red, orange, yellow, green, blue. This is the indigo. There is another violet and even the multicolor makeup look coming up super soon. So I want you to stick to my channel, and if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So guys, I'm done with my base and my brows. Now I am going to move on to the eyeshadow, and as usual I'm going to explain this part. For the first palette, I'm going with NYX Ultimate Warm Neutrals palette, and I'll be going with this brown shade as my transition shade, and I'm going to apply this on the crease area on the back and forward motion. Now next shade, I'm going with this brown shade right here to warm it up a bit, and I'm going to apply this only on the socket of my eyes. And now I'm going with this navy sort of indigo blue color from Makeup Revolution Temi X Tropical Carnival palette, and I'm going to apply this on the lids, and even I'm going to smoke it out on the outer edge like this. You can see right here. I don't know how to explain this. It's quite hard to explain this part, but you can follow these steps. going with this blending brush and blend out the edges. And now after applying the kajal, I'm going to smoke it out the lower lash line with that same blue, and even I'm going to follow both the brown shades on my lower lash line. And now I'll be going with Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter for the inner corners and even my eyebrow bone. So guys, this was the makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, you know what you have to do. Give me a like and even subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button because you'll be notified whenever I'm coming up with a new video. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section below, and if you haven't watched my previous video from this series, you can just check out this eye right here. You'll find all the amazing makeup looks I have done. Even don't forget to follow me on all my social media handles. You guys already know, follow me on Instagram because finally I am posting a lot of pictures over there. Even I'm back with the 100 days of makeup challenge, so I hope you guys will enjoy that. I'm doing all the eye makeup looks right now, but in some days you will see a lot of new makeup look coming up only for IGTV. So do follow me over there, and that's it for this video today. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay tuned, and that's it. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.